Let's go again. What do we have here? Okay, well, this is a skateboard. Yes, an electric skateboard. My very first one. Let's open it up. My curiosity got the better of me when Lycaon reached out to me to review this electric skateboard. Let's get this in. Wrong way. I'm actually really excited, to be honest, to try something like this. Nice. Look how well this is actually packed. Well, first off, this thing looks cool. The wheels are actually quite big. I didn't think they'd actually be that big at all, to be honest. That feels really nice, I must say. Let's have a look underneath. This part here is where the battery is. This part is actually made out of a metal. It looks like it's sealed quite well. There's a type of gasket all around it. I'm really excited to try this. I'm assuming that's where your controller is. That's where your charger goes. That's how you power it on. In the box, we have the remote. We have the charging cable. We have, this is actually quite good, a way to tighten up the nuts on it. And I'm assuming this is to charge the actual remote off it. This is a charging brick. Really nice quality, actually. It has multiple modes of braking. It has multiple acceleration modes. And of course, you have this here to keep it on your wrist. But I think you need to actually pair this to the electric skateboard. Power on, and then it's actually paired already. Let's have a look here for 1 second. Ooh. So you just use this to accelerate and use that to brake. So we're gonna play around with them settings, but yeah, pretty cool. Well, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go up, get my helmet, and yeah, just go around the area just for a few minutes to get a feel for this. Let's go. Oh, okay, well, we best talk about the specs of this Lycaon GR board. So I'm just gonna get out my phone here. On the low setting, you can get 20 km/h speed. On the medium setting, 30 km/h speed. On the high setting, 36 km/h. And then you have the P setting, which is just the pro setting, up to 38 km/h. And the range on this is meant to be between 24 and 30 km/h, which is a bit crazy because here is the specs of the battery. They're 18650 cells, 10S3P 36 volt, only a 7.8 amp hour battery, and it's a 280 watt hour. To be honest, it sounds like the range on that is a bit far-fetched, to be honest, so we'll probably test that, I'm not sure. The two motors on this are 480 watts, which is actually quite astounding. The build quality of it is very good. It has a hill climbing ability, apparently, up to 30 degrees. Now, of course, I don't think that's possible, to be honest. So even on electric scooters, they never really reach that potential unless you're a really light rider. It only weighs just shy of over 8 kilos, and it's the lightest electric PEV that I've tested to date. Maximum load on this is 100 kilos, and the build quality is actually quite good. 8-ply Canadian maple. The trucks on it seems extremely good quality. Wheels are, it's actually quite nice to ride. Of course, for off-road use, forget it. It's more of a road for a smooth surface like what I'm on here right now. It takes around 3 to 4 hours to charge. So far, I'm a bit afraid, obviously, to go a really high speed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go back and forth here just to get a feel for it, and I guess get the turning aspect of it, because you can't do sharp turns on something like this. So I plan on going all the way down here and all the way back. Wish me luck. And we are on the low setting. Okay, let's go. Oh, we're going 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, the torque is actually extremely impressive. I'm only on the low setting here, and And the torque, let's just come to a standstill almost here and go full throttle on the low setting. Whoa! The braking is extremely impressive on this. Ah, I figured out something. You can actually, so this is forward, braking, you can actually go in reverse. You simply press this button here, and look. How cool is that? Press it again. I'm actually, I didn't know that feature, to be honest. It goes to show how much I know about electric skateboards. Okay, so let's be a bit more brave here. Okay, again, sticking to the low setting right now. Whoa. Again, we're on a nice smooth surface here. If we were on anything else rough, this would be a disaster waiting. And to turn, braking. Whoa, whoa. When you're getting off this, definitely, whatever you do, hold down the brake. Let's go again. Or not. I don't know if you can hear this on camera, but I'm on a smooth surface enough, but click, 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 click. So if we go onto the tarmac here, much better. There's no vibration going through my body. But I gotta say, I don't think I have this on cruise control, but the bearings are set up so well on this that it's literally gliding along and I'm not even accelerating. It's gonna definitely take a while to get accustomed to something like this, so I'm definitely gonna need to practice a bit more. You would need roads exactly like this, smooth. Anything that's rough, for example, if we go on this road here, I mean, there's no way. I think the wear and tear on the board alone would be crazy. Whoa. I suppose it's a good way to test out how durable the board is. I mean, it's definitely something it's completely new to me. It really is. Anybody who goes fast on these, I think, are really brave. Like, you can see the torque here. Put it on. This is the low setting right here. And brake. Whoa, definitely very interesting. That's how fast that goes. Get my feet right. Like, I did skateboard when I was quite young, but this is just, forget it, you know. I'll take a while to get used to this. Trying to turn, whoa. Trying to turn is going to be the learning part, and finding where your balance is, because my 2 feet, like, I think my back foot is too far back. I'll need to definitely find out where the sweet spot is for my weight and my balance. Okay, pretend we're racing. Oh, I think this will be actually a good place to practice. So we may actually do that. So we're going. Yay, we reached top speed. We're going 20 kilometers an hour. Okay, much better. Yeah, I definitely think I'll practice around an area. Like, whoa, emergency brake. Nearly went in the path there. By the way, in the near future, please God, I'm going to be shooting many videos around this whole area. Brand new parks, brand new paths everywhere. Really looking forward to that. I feel like I'm a teenager again. But before anybody says anything in the comments, yes, of course I'm gonna pad up. So far, pretty happy. Yeah guys, gonna leave it there for now. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a like. I will of course do a review on this, possibly a range test, who knows. In the meantime, stay safe and I'll talk to you in the next video.